Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new episode of Intellect Platform. My name is Salman Raza. Today's topic is about artificial intelligence. So let's talk about what, why and how about artificial intelligence. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence or AI? AI is a branch of computer sciences linked with the development of smart machines capable of performing tasks typically require human intelligence. So basically, they're trying to replicate or stimulate human intelligence in machine. So we make in machine to act and think like human. So the term artificial intelligence was first introduced by John McCarthy in 1956. He was an American computer scientist and he was also the founder of discipline of AI. In his terms, artificial intelligence is the sciences or engineering of making a smart machine. So this is quite a straightforward definition of AI. If we look around us, we are surrounded by a number of tools, applications, and machines around us based on AI, and typically ranging from narrow artificial intelligence to general artificial intelligence and then to super artificial intelligence, where the machine will be able to perform all the tasks which require human intelligence. It covers decision making, face recognitions, object recognition, voice recognitions, and solving complex problems. Okay, so why AI is so important? So AI is currently being used in all set of fields and its future is amazing and astonishing. We are using multiple AI-based applications on a daily basis, and its business around the globe is around $2 trillion and is projected to be $4 trillion by 2025. So you can see the worth of the business and the opportunities linked with this field. Okay, so we talk about top 5 businesses around the globe that are based on AI. For example, Microsoft have worth of $1.3 trillion, Amazon $1.2 trillion, Apple $1.2 trillion, Alphabet $0.9 trillion, Facebook $0.5 trillion. So you can see the worth of those businesses and they are on the top around the globe. So there are lots of opportunities linked with that field. So if we build up our career around this field, we definitely have a part in the development. Okay, so if you talk about application we are using on a daily basis, the first one we can think of is Siri. This application is based on machine learning technology and it's been used to get info, get directions, send messages, making calls. So basically interact with the user in a day-to-day work. Then the second example is Tesla from automobiles. The Tesla is coming with the option of self-driving, predictive capability and absolute technological innovation. In form of customer services, we have Cogito. So Cogito is AI-based customer services. It analyzes human voice and produces real-time guidance for the user. In the entertainment industry, Netflix is based on predictive technology and offer recommendation on the basis of customer reactions, interest and behavior. So it's examine hundred of records and thousands of records and give you the recommendation based on your likeness. Then the Nest from Google. Nest is a learning thermostat using behavioral algorithm to save energy based on your behavior and schedule. Similarly, we have Boxella, flying drones, Echo, and so many applications around the globe are being used on a daily basis based on AI. So you can see the potential in the business. Now if we talk about a specific sector in industry, healthcare is one of the important ones. Healthcare using AI-assisted robotic surgery, clinical judgment and diagnosis, precision medicine, drug discovery, predictive diagnosis, and in form of repetitive tasks giving you managing medical reports, digital consultation, virtual nurses. Another important sector is agriculture. So we're using AI bots to harvest crops, plant seeding, fertilize crops, administrate pesticides, like monitor weeds and spray them. We use drone to monitor the cultivation and also collecting data for analysis. Then if you talk about retail, we're doing virtual shopping, stock management, site layout techniques, supply chain management, especially logistics management using AI-based robots. Then in banking, AI is being used in fraud prevention, analyzing history of the transactions. Similarly, in the finance and various different sectors of our life, we are fully equipped at the moment using AI-based applications. So you see, the application of AI is everywhere in all industries, in all sort of application, and which have a demand as well at the same time. So there is a growth in this field, and if we associate ourselves and build ourselves in this field, we'll definitely be successful as long as we have interest related to AI-based applications. Okay, the last section of the video is about how to get the info and how to get yourself trained in the field of AI. As you can see, there are a lot of information available online and the free tutorial as well, which you can use to build your understanding on AI. But there are a few things I would recommend. The first thing would be you have to understand math behind this machine learning, which obviously is the basis of AI. So get yourself equipped with mathematical reasoning. The second thing would be to build and understand your understanding about programming languages. There are lots of programming languages which you can learn, and they have a different application. But nowadays, the most popular and most simplest programming language is Python. So you can start a journey by learning Python. And third thing would be the online courses. As I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of help available, free and paid. So you can use those courses to grow yourself in this field. And then the last and the most important thing is to join AI-based experts community like Kaggle, where you can ask questions, where you can share your experience and learn AI through AI experts. So this is, I think, the end of the video, where we actually cover what is AI, why is that important, and how we can get ourselves trained in that field. Hopefully you like the video. So I like your comments and suggestions for the next videos on the next topics, and if you need more detail on AI, you can still ask in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching, and see you soon later. Bye bye.